Yo, my plug sent me a full brick in the mail. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? You heard what I said, man. The plug sent me a brick through the mail. You ain't never had a brick sent to you through the mail. Stop fronting. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. But nah, man, the joint feel like a brick. It's a brick of patches. Feel me? Got a package, y'all. The fall is upon us. We all know that. Excuse me real quick, I dropped my brick. Yo, get your minds off the gutter, man. Alright, this is legit shit. So peep game, like I said, the fall season is upon us. It's time to get it cooking. Well, I've been getting it cooking, but you know, stuff is coming in. I didn't even open this yet, yo. I wanted to do it with y'all, my peoples. Alright, so I'm gonna do this quick unboxing real quick. Alright, now before this video ends, y'all know the drill. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you don't never miss nothing. And make sure you sign up to my Patreon, alright? Because all my real Patreon people gonna exactly know who my plug is, where I got these from, alright? So if you wanna know who the plug is, sign up for my Patreon. Alright, let's get it. Let's get right into this thing. Alright, so I teased this design a minute ago on my IG. If you follow me on IG, right now, as I said a few weeks ago, there's nothing on my IG right now. I took all my pictures down, so I wanted to start fresh. All right, so we're going to start fresh. Let's get this joint open. Yo, they package these joints up, man. They make sure it's tight, man. You know, a lot of packing tape. Yo, y'all see it? Check this out. They all there. You see the defrosty? They all there. Yeah, they kind of, let me get out the light, man. But let me take them out the plastic so y'all see what we working with. I'm gonna start with the smaller. I got two sizes. I got a small size and I got a larger size. I'm gonna start with the small size because they dropped out of the box first, and we're just gonna do a quick comparison. All right, I'm gonna compare it. I got one chennile patch, frosty chennile patch for my last batch, so I'm just gonna do a quick comparison in size, and we could do a quality comparison too. I don't know how accurate it will be because these are different than the first frosty patch that I made. All right, these are not chennile. These are actually tackle twill, and ooh, these joints is sexy. I changed the colorway up because that's what I felt like doing. Yeah, I know, like I said in the past, if you've been following the channel for a minute, I don't really like going back to old designs. I like to move on. But this one was highly requested. You know, once they sold out, you know, a lot of people was asking if I was ever gonna bring that back. I was like, nah. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do another colorway, but I'm not gonna do a chennile patch this time. I wanted to do tackle twill just to see how this joint came out. And damn, it's fire. Let me bring it in close. Look at the details on that joint. Look at that. Came out nice. I don't remember the actual size that I requested for this one. This is a smaller version. See how they got the family in there? Yo, this is tough. So this is tackle twill, if you're new, if you don't know what's going on here. And this is the chennile one, the original one. All right, this is the first one that I killed them with. You see, if you don't know the difference, the chennile got the furry, like the yarn in there. It's called the chennile patch, and this is the twill. All right, you see the difference. It's not like furry. Okay. Now size wise, the new one is bigger. All right, and this was the small version of the first Me Frosty design, and this is the bottom one, obviously the smaller version from the new patch. Now let me bring out the new big body joint so you can see exactly how big that one is. I wish I had the other big Me Frosty patch to compare it to in size, but hold on. Yo, about to bless y'all, man. Bless y'all this fall. Bag patched up real nice. Let me pull this joint out. They packed them up dead right, y'all. And once again, if you're new to the channel, if you don't know what Me Frosty means, it's something that I came with that means my family, all right? Damn, this shit is hard. Look at it. This thing is huge. All right? Everything came out real beautiful, man. The craftsmanship is just, it's always immaculate, man. I can't even complain, man. Like, it's to the point right now where, you know, when I order from them, I don't even get samples made from them no more. Like, cause I already know what time it is, you know. They make one and they send me a picture and I just sign off on it via the picture. I don't even need to fill it in hand because I already know the type of quality that they do. All right, so look at this big version. Same as the smaller one, but just way bigger. This one right here, if I recall, it might be 16 inches wide and like 5.5 inches in height. But look at the stick. Look at the stitching on this joint, y'all. Come on, you ain't gonna get no better than this, man. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship. Look at the quality of this thing. It's beautiful. Let me know if y'all feeling this in the comments. All right. I jumped out the window and I'm pretty much showing y'all this thing early. Alright, because I'm so, you know, so proud of it. I wanted to actually see it. But I'm about to put everything in production with this patch, as far as, you know, the hoodies, the sweatshirts, and the sweatsuits. So you're gonna be seeing me, you know, posting these things a lot through a photo shoot for them, so on and so forth, some models. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm pleased. Once again, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you don't never miss nothing. And if you're new to the channel, make sure, if you're coming across this, I don't know, if you're breezing by, you guys make sure you keep following, make sure you subscribe, right? And if you want to know who made these joints for me, all you gotta do is sign up for my Patreon. All the information is over there, man. Like I always say, I hope you guys are working hard on your brands. And once again, Me Frosty stands for my family. Alright? My family. Don't forget that. Like I always say, y'all know my slogan. The message is always in the cloth. I'm just not selling no bullshit. Alright? All my designs really, really mean something, man. I'm proud of this one, y'all. Y'all can see it in my face, you can hear it in my tone. I'm always proud of my shit, though. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, that's it. If you guys need any artwork for your brand, DM me. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you, let me know what the concept is. You know, we'll come up with something. You know what I'm saying? You know, the shit ain't free. You know I'm definitely charging. So just hit me up if you need something designed. And you know, you don't gotta tell nobody that I designed it for you. I'm a ghost designer. You can if you want to. You know, it don't really matter to me. You know, I'm just here to provide a service. All right, so I ain't gonna keep rambling, y'all. Until next time, get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.